quickly show how to embed programs, resources into Canvas. So if you have your Canvas page or whatever you're using, go ahead and click Edit. So it'll bring you to this editing part right here where you can either toggle between HTML editor or just the regular text editor here. So let's say I want to embed Flipgrid within a Canvas page or anything pretty much Canvas assignments or quizzes, you can embed it right in there. So I have Flipgrid open here and I'm just going to click on share. Anytime it has an embed code, it's actually gonna make it really easy to embed it. So I can just hit copy embed code and I come here, I'm gonna wanna paste it in the HTML editor. But before that, one thing I like to do is I would like to type where I want it to go. So insert flip grid here. A lot of times when you have a lot going on a page, it's going to make it hard to figure out exactly where you want to paste it in the HTML code. So I like to type that and then make it easier to find. So obviously here, that's the only thing I have, so it's going to be easy to find. But if you're having a hard time finding it, you hit Command F on the Mac, type in Flipgrid, and it'll find it for you. All right, and then I'm just going to replace that with my HTML code. And so I can go back to the text editor, see what it looks like, and it's right there. So another easy one to do is like the Desmos graphing calculator. If you have a graph you want to share, or you just want to put it there in like a quiz so they can use it, you can hit share graph, and this also has an embed code. So I can just copy that, come to Canvas, again go to the HTML editor, and then paste it. If you notice, they all have what's called an iframe. That's what lets you embed it within another website or within Canvas. So here's my graph. So some programs don't have embed codes. So for example, a Desmos activity will not have an embed code. So for example, I created my class code for this activity. It's getting to know each other activity. I'm going to click on these three dots, student link. You can see it's just a link here. It's not that iframe embed code. So I'm going to actually create my own iframe. So I copy that. I go to Google. I usually just type iframe generator and just pick one of the first two to pop up. This one's a pretty good one here. And so you can customize what you want your iframe to look like. So it can create the width, the height, and all that. And then you paste your URL. So here's my student link. And then I can preview it. I'm just going to go ahead and generate it for now. And right here you'll see this iframe. So now I can copy it, go to Canvas, go back to my HTML editor. I'm just going to throw it at the bottom. Let's see what that looks like. And there it is. There's my activity. Students can sign in right through Canvas. They don't have to go to Desmos. Same thing with here. They can look at this graph. If you make it, I believe, if you make it larger, the graph larger. So here's my Desmos graph. Let's make it, I'm just going to do 100%. That means it's going to take 100% of the width and make this about 700. Let's see what that looks like. It's hard to, let me save it. So go ahead and save, see what the page looks like. I have my graph, I have my activity. And that's basically it for embedding resources within Canvas.